The 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack is one of the most anticipated cars in recent memory, and it represents a bold new direction for Dodge while staying true to the brand's muscle car heritage. With this car, Dodge is bridging the gap between raw performance and modern innovation, creating a vehicle that excites both traditional muscle enthusiasts and a new generation of drivers. The Sixpack name alone sparks interest because it pays tribute to Dodge's past performance machines while pointing forward to the future of electrification and efficiency. This new Charger is built on the STLA large platform, which was designed by Stellantis specifically for high-performance electric and hybrid vehicles. That means the Sixpack is not just a simple redesign, but a ground-up reinvention of what the Charger can be in the modern era. The most exciting part is that Dodge is offering the Sixpack with a range of powertrain options. So you can get it with hybrid technology or as part of the upcoming electric lineup. It shows that Dodge is serious about giving customers performance in every form, whether you want the roar of a combustion engine or the instant torque of electrification. Under the hood, the Sixpack will be powered by Dodge's new Hurricane inline 6 engine, which replaces the legendary HEMI V8. While some purists may be skeptical, this new engine delivers serious power and efficiency. The Sixpack will be available in two variations, the Sixpack S.O, which stands for standard output, and the Sixpack H.O, which stands for high output. The standard version delivers around 420 horsepower, while the high output pushes that number closer to 550 horsepower. These figures make it clear that the Hurricane engine is no compromise when it comes to performance. Dodge has engineered it with twin turbocharging and advanced cooling systems to ensure the kind of speed and acceleration that muscle car fans demand. The exterior design of the 2026 Charger Sixpack is equally striking. Dodge has taken inspiration from its classic models of the 1960s and 70s, blending heritage cues with modern aerodynamics. The long hood, wide stance, and aggressive front fascia immediately signal this car's performance intentions, while the sculpted body lines and modern LED lighting bring it firmly into the present. The car's proportions give it a menacing road presence, and the details like flush door handles and performance wheels make it look both muscular and refined. Inside, Dodge has outfitted the Charger Sixpack with a driver-focused cockpit that balances technology with classic muscle car vibes. Expect a large digital display, customizable performance gauges, and premium materials that make it feel like a modern sports sedan. Dodge is also incorporating performance modes that adjust steering, suspension, and throttle response, giving drivers full control over how aggressive the car feels on the road. The 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack is more than just a new model. It's a statement that Dodge can evolve without losing the core spirit of muscle. With powerful new engines, electrified potential, and unmistakable styling, it carries forward the Charger legacy while setting the stage for the future of performance cars. This is the next chapter of American muscle.